Welcome to PocketDump.com. I'm going to run through the functions of the Victorinox Explorer. So this is in the classic Victorinox Swiss Army knife red, Victorinox logo, and the scales are a high-impact ABS plastic called Cellidor. It has a keyring attachment, so you can attach this to a bunch of keys or a lanyard if you want. And let's start off with the tools on this side. So it has a really strong corkscrew, a useful multi-purpose hook, and a punch or reaming tool. So this could be a needle punch, it's got a small hole. This section here is sharp, so you can widen or create a hole in tough material such as leather. On the other side, have a small but really sharp stainless steel blade, and that measures 1.5 inches. We have a second blade, and that measures just shy of 2.5 inches. Then we have a decent sized pair of scissors with the built-in spring. The blades open and close effectively. Now, this is an interesting one. It is a magnifying glass. So a quite useful tool, particularly useful for firelighting in sunny conditions. Then we have a really strong Phillips head screwdriver. A manual can opener. So this has a sharpened section there, so you can open a tin can. The tip is shaped to function as a small flathead screwdriver. This is the bottle opener. The tip is shaped to form a slightly larger flathead screwdriver, and it has a small recess just there to act as a wire stripper. It also features tweezers and a toothpick. An incredibly useful pocket tool, the Victorinox Explorer.